video, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a cat and loads of flowers on a greeting card using watercolours. So to make this black, we're going to add blue and brown paint. You can add more brown or more blue depending on what shade of black you want the cat to be. Then we're just going to paint the whole cat in. Try not to outline it and remember that tail. Now I'm done with the cat, I can start with the flowers. The first flower is going to be lavender. To make the purple for the lavender, we're going to add red and blue. You can add more red or more blue depending on what shade of purple you want. The lavender technique is small little petals that are really close together and go upwards. The next flower we will be doing is using some red paint with lots of water. We're just going to put some petals, and then in the inside of the flower we're going to add some dark red. The red will eventually spread through the flower and give it a nice effect. You can add as much of each flower. The next flower we will be using the same technique, but we'll be using yellow. For the inside we will use orange. Next we can add some tulips, which are basically 3 petals together. I'm making mine blue and yellow, but you can make yours other colours if you want. I'm going to make some orange flowers now, which are the same technique as the pink and yellow. I'm going to add stalks or stems for them and leaves. Then I'm going to do the grass and then the sky. Now my card is finished.